Salam everyone, this is Laksventures and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on an extraordinary journey through the heart of Pakistan, exploring the vibrant city of Karachi and the historical gems of Thatta. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of culture, history, intriguing legends and mouth-watering cuisine. Our first stop is the Mango Pier Shrine in Karachi. This isn't just any shrine, it's a sanctuary where history meets mystery. Dedicated to the 13th century Sufi saint Haji Syed Sheikh Sultan. This place is renowned not only for its spiritual significance but also for its unique inhabitants. Over 100 sacred marsh crocodiles. Legend has it, these crocodiles are the saint's disciples, and visitors often bring food to feed these revered creatures. Next up, we are stepping back in time at the Mazar-e-Quaid house and mausoleum. This heritage site captures the golden era of Karachi in the 60s and 70s, offering a peek into the city's glorious past. Also known as the Jinnah Mausoleum or the National Mausoleum. It is the final resting place of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. This iconic landmark is a symbol of national pride. We also had a chance to visit the TDF Gar, which means House in Urdu, which is a learning space that is situated amongst foliage, across from the Quaid's amazing mausoleum. It's a house constructed in the 1930s and restored as a living museum. We are now heading to Thatta, a city that whispers tales of ancient civilizations and splendid architecture. Here at Khokandi Tombs, we witness the artistry of sandstone carvings on tombs dating back from the 15th to 18th centuries. The tombs were notable for their elaborate sandstone carvings. Each of them tells a story, adorned with intricate designs symbolizing the identities of those resting beneath. History buffs, get ready! We are venturing to Banbor, an archaeological site with roots in the 1st century BC. This port city holds stories of the Scythians, Parthians, Alexander the Great, and the arrival of Islam in South Asia. Imagine walking the same path as these legendary figures. Our final stop in Thatta is truly awe-inspiring. Makli, one of the world's largest necropolises, and the breathtaking Shah Jahan Mosque. The mosque, a masterpiece of blue glazed tilework, was a gift from Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to the people of Thatta. Its grandeur and beauty are rivaled by its historic significance. Back in Karachi, we recharge at the Ambience Hotel, where luxury, lush greenery and artistic flair come together. This isn't just a hotel, it's a window into Karachi's sophisticated side. Hi guys, we are still in Karachi, we are at Ambience Hotel, and this is one of my new favorite hotels here in the region. Good access to the main attractions, and the hotel is at the same time also selling art. This is just a small display, what you can see here right now, but spread it over the hotel, you can see a lot of paintings, which you can also buy here, right on the spot. So yeah, if you need any recommendations, just let me know. Hi guys, this is Laksventures. We are in Karachi and we are at Ambience Hotel. It's my new favorite hotel and one of the reasons why I would show you now. So let's just go out. Hi! Can you just let me out quick? All right. So you need to go out with security guards, with a weapon. That's the normal way to roam around here. So we are now here on a small little side road in Karachi. Not too much traffic going on.
fairly quiet, but it's a lovely place, nice location. Hi, I'm back, sorry. So we are in a pharmacy, as you can see. My favorite pharmacy, because the guys here are amazing. Perfect job. Hello. All right, so I buy something now.
Hi guys, we are now at Dolmen Mall in Karachi, as you can see. And it's one of the fanciest malls in Clifton. It's close to the seaside. So a lot of financial buildings here around, residential, but mainly shopping area. And yeah, it's a few of the fancy shops are here. So let's go to the next area. And I just booked a taxi via an app called InDrive, which is very famous to use here. So Uber is not really working. As the sun dips below the horizon, we'll make our way to Port Grant, Karachi's vibrant waterfront promenade. It's a hub of food, art and entertainment, reflecting the lively spirit of the city. Let's grab some famous Karachi biryani and end our day with a refreshing glass of local fresh juice. Thank you. So, these two lovely ladies, what's your name?
Bushra. Aisha.
Bushna and Aisha?
Yes.
So we just made an amazing picture together and have a wonderful evening. What is your favorite thing in Karachi?
King biryani.
Biryani.
Yes.
And here, what would you recommend me? Where should I go? What should I eat?
Where should you go? You can go Sinbad Park.
Huh.
It's too much good, and you can eat chicken chow mein.
Okay, I will try. TK.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
All right, let's try that. So you can see here now we are in the red loft angle. So let's go through it now. Yeah, a singer. Let's see what's happening there. Ah.
अपने स्पी किसी को गाना गाने का शौक है तो आप भी यहाँ आकर अपना शौक पूरा कर सकते हैं।
You have German songs? Okay, maybe I will just liquid my voice a bit and then I will come again. All right, German songs. Let's see if we can do that. But they might be most probably afraid when I start to sing. All right, so now they have a lot of restaurants here in the background. Famous for barbecue. That is the seaside already, and we will just check what they have here. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So, what are you famous for? What dishes?
Akbar Basha.
Akbar Basha. TK, TK. Is it very spicy? Look at this wonderful outfit from this gentleman. Fantastic, yeah? Fantastic. So what are you selling here? What food?
Afghani food, chapli kebab, mutton kadai, chicken kadai, barbecue, Chinese, handi, seafood, African. Only African.
So everything, right?
Yes.
Everything.
Everything.
All right. My friend was interested. What is your favorite dish here?
My favorite dish is like pasta.
Pasta.
Yeah, seafood pasta. You like which one sauce? Arrabbiata sauce. Or you like soup? You hard and sour soup, very nice soup. Or Pakistani food, this biryani, beef biryani. Or you salad, it's rocket salad. Or you like dessert, cream caramel. Or food, very or too much food here. Like you Pakistani food like this one needs. Yeah.
And the name of the place?
Akbarinari, my famous name. My name Akbarinari. Like recipe soup. All people use Indian recipe. Yeah.
All right. So he is not moving since ever. Okay. All right. So if you want to have the shock of your life, you can come here. Bye. Very friendly people. Everybody is open-minded. All right, what do we have here? Puppet theater. And yeah, so most of the food items are a little spicy. I tried different things now, but you need to get used to the spices. It's definitely something different. Hello. How are you? He seems to be fine. Our culinary adventure doesn't end with street food. Let's experience the legendary flavors of Karachi restaurant. This iconic seaside spot offers a taste of traditional Pakistani cuisine with a breathtaking view. Imagine dining on fresh seafood and aromatic curries as the lights of the city shimmer on the water. Talk about an unforgettable experience. What a journey it's been! From the sacred crocodiles of Mango Pier to the ancient tombs of Thatta and back to the bustling streets of Karachi. I hope you enjoyed this journey through time and culture as much as I did. Well, if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and click that bell icon for more adventures with me. Until next time, fellow travelers. This has been Laksventures signing off from Pakistan. Keep exploring and stay curious.